Morning micro map here. Taking my morning stroll. It's not that hot as of yet. It's a lot of overcast. Yesterday, a lot of rain and humidity. Incredibly, the kid got practicing, so that was pretty cool. Summer's winding down here. They report to school August 17th. I think today's the 27th, no? I have to look. See, what's today? Yeah, 27th. So today's the 27th, so they got 21 days left. 3 weeks exactly. Let me turn off this thing. 21 days exactly, 3 weeks. She reports to her training academy soccer camp on the 8th. And some of the schedules are out, so we're excited about that. Should be traveling to Tampa, Orlando. Got a couple out-of-state tournaments in Dallas and North Carolina. And if they win their division or qualify, they'll be over there in California. So looking forward to her season and see how she does and all the hard work that she's put in this season shows on the field. Regards to the Keto for Life run, dropped another 2 pounds down to 241. So closely approaching that goal of mine to crack the 240s. 60 days, August 10th will be 60 days since I said no more. It's either eat what you want and be in pain and unhealthy, or change your lifestyle and try and be pain-free and better. Still have some pain, but it's getting better. And I think as the weight falls off, that'll be less pressure on my spine, I would assume. So down to 241. I started on June 10th. August 10th will be 60 days. Right now I'm into it for about, let me see my math. 41 days? 21 minus 60, 39 days in. 39 days? I think 39 days, yeah. 39 days in. So I've lost in 39 days. I started at 258. When I stood on the scale on June 10th, I said enough is enough. Eat when you're hungry. If you're not hungry, do not eat. There's times I go to sleep, I'm not hungry, and I don't eat, and I go to sleep. Just because it's dinner or breakfast or lunch, and you're not hungry, if you're not hungry, don't eat. Don't eat. So doing that and doing my fasting, and when I eat, I try and have a high-fat meal with the least carbs as possible. I'm probably staying around 50 grams of carbs a day, more or less. So that's at 238, it'll be 20 pounds. So right now I'm at 18 pounds lost. I need 2 more for 20. No, 3 more. 3 more for 20, sorry. 3 more for 20 pounds in 39 days. So stuff works, man. It really works. So my goal here is get those 3 pounds, get to 238, that'll be 20 pounds in less than 60 days, that's for sure. Today's day 39, tomorrow will be day 40. Yeah, and the 10th will be 60 days, 2 months exactly. So sticking with the high fat, the intermittent fasting, eat when you're hungry, to bring that insulin level down. I can see my belly going away. I can see it here in my face. The end goal is just take it to where it goes. I don't care how I look. I don't care if I have sagging skin. If I do, I don't care. My wife's like, oh, you're gonna look too skinny. You're gonna look horrible if you get that skinny. It doesn't look good. I don't care. All I care about is being pain-free. I don't care how I look. I'm not doing this for cosmetic. I don't care how I look. I don't care what people think. I don't care about none of that. I just care about how I feel. And try and get healthy, see if I can get off some of the meds, get the blood pressure better, get all my biomarkers good, cholesterol and all that, triglycerides, and have no pain in my back. So the Fed yesterday raised a quarter point, enough of the diet, and the Fed raised a quarter point, and the market's gyrated. This morning it's like full bull mode. It's skyrocketing. I'll probably take some pain in my personal portfolios because I'm still short tech, believe it or not. And Meta, what did I do in Meta? I did an iron condor. 50 days out. They're up big in the pre-market. I think that's one of the factors. The S&P and the NASDAQ are pretty up probably. We still have Amazon and Apple to report. I think those are the only ones, the big players out there. I might have forgot somebody else, but I think it's Amazon. Because we had Google already. We had Meta. Oh, NVIDIA. We still need NVIDIA. So NVIDIA, Apple, and Amazon still need to report. So yeah, we'll take a look at the futures. The metals rolled over. I think the contract on the futures on the gold rolled over because it's at 2,000 and gold was hovering about 1960. So I think the future contract rolled over and the new one is on the board now. Interest rates are a little bit higher as well, so we'll see. I might have to roll stuff out. I got a lot of stuff in the options account in the trading portfolio that are coming up on 21 days, and I might just have to roll them out for more credits, and assuming that eventually I'll be right. I think we do need a healthy correction. I think that Dow Jones has been up straight for 13 days. Car prices continue to decline at a rapid pace. Every week, the prices are declining. I don't know about housing, but I know interest rates are up there. I don't know what's. I'm not a realtor. I don't know what's going on with housing prices. But I'm sure I look at it around my neighborhood. I know I can't afford anything nowadays. So I'm blessed to be grandfathered in. Let's take a look at the futures. So we have, we opened already, so the market is open. So they open at 9:30. So the 10-year is up 5 bits to 390. And last I checked was the dollar was rolling over again. Down, actually green. So the dollar is gyrating. The dollar hit a low of 155, and we have had a reversal in the day, as you can see here on my chart. So the dollar's higher and foreign currencies are mixed. Bitcoin is up 80 to 29.5 basically. Oil almost at $80 a barrel, which that is inflationary, as I've talked about in my videos. S&P up 35 to 46.30. Gold getting hit, but that's because that contract rolled over. But gold was trading about 1960, 1970, and now we're down 16 to under 2 grand. Copper down 3 to 387. Cattle down 57 cents to 178. Hogs flat 101.62. Feeders down $1 to 2.43. Meat prices are crazy, but that's what you gotta be eating, folks. Yesterday I had some hamburgers with my salad and a lot of cheese. Keeping it simple. That's one of the things I'm doing, is just keeping it simple. Now doing my walk, probably do some stretch, and see if I have to do some trades, and see if I can sell some metal. Small caps up 11 to over 2,000. NASDAQ with all the tech effect, especially with Meta, up 250. Dow Jones up 86. Nat gas down 5 cents to 263. Silver down 40 to 224.50. That's because the dollar has reversed and went higher. VIX down 33 cents to 14.55. Corn up 4 cents to 5.52, yeah. Soybeans up 5 to 14.25, and wheat down 2 cents to 17.17. And those are your futures. My biggest winners trade-wise have been XP and NEO. those Chinese automakers. There's a lot of rambling about China doing stimulus. So we got Meta at 320, NIO at 1374, Quantum, QS, I think they're into batteries, QuantumScape, so they're getting a bump up. Royal Caribbean up 6, Amazon up 2, McDonald's up less than 1%, Carnival up 4%. So it looks like some stuff's going on in the cruise lines. Upstart, another short squeeze up to 66, just to name some of the trending stocks so far this morning. But the big one of the day right now is Meta. Take a look at bar chart here a second. So we'll just look at the most actives. Let's see here, most active options. So we got Tesla up 4 to 269. I mean, it should be a full-blown rally today. That's what it looks like it's going to be, unless we have an intraday reversal. Microsoft up to 340. Google up over 130. Amazon up over 130. Nvidia up 10. Apple up $2. Meta up $28. NIO, Snap, AMC, Rivian over 28. Boeing up 3. XP up almost $2. AMD $1.30. Alibaba, I don't know how fresh this is. This probably, I don't know how fresh these, I don't know if this is updated. Alibaba with the China stimulus. Netflix up 2. Walt Disney, which has been in a rut. Telray up a little bit. CI up to 42. And that's pretty much it. We just opened up, so pretty quick open there. Let's see here. Back to me. I mentioned the other day that people are building efficiencies or add-ons to their house. This might be something that I might have to look into, because it might be a better value and return on my investment. That's for sure. But you can see there that they're doing construction. They're building an addition there. So that might be worth it. That costs 50, 60. I don't know how much construction is these days. I know materials are probably expensive. But if you can get it for 60, 70 grand in addition and rent it out for 1,500, 1,800, who knows, depending on the size. It might be worth just doing that instead of having money in the market. Who knows? Something to investigate, something to research. Marlins won yesterday. They're off today, and then they're coming back and they got the Tigers at home. I'm gonna go Saturday. It's Venezuelan evening or night, and Miguel Cabrera, I'm sure they'll play a tribute to Miguel Cabrera, one of the greatest Marlins of all time. He'll be here with the Tigers, and should be a good night out at the stadium. Haven't gone in a while, but they've been on the road a lot. They've really been cold the second half after the All-Star game. Very, very cold, and I think they're half a game out of the wild card, last I checked. It should be another hot one here today in Miami. I know that it's been so hot in the Keys that the reefs are bleaching. Look that up. It's pretty bad and sad. Actually, right now it's 81. Feels like 89. We had a lot of rain yesterday, and we actually have a flood watch until 8 p.m. today. It's been raining a lot. I don't even know why my landscaper's cutting the grass.
Without moisture, that kind of sucks. So yeah, feeling better. Health as well. Stella, the doggy, is getting acclimated. She's doing great. Kiddo's getting ready for her soccer at school. Blessed, man. Blessed. Count your blessings every day. Every day you wake up breathing, it's a good day. Thank the man upstairs, or whoever you believe in. Channel's growing little by little. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Try and bring you some some good content. I'll try and do some more trading videos. I mean, last I checked, the VIX was under 13. That's crazy. At some point, we have to revert to the mean and get some volatility into this market. That's my 2 cents on that. You know, the Fed raised rates. The dollar's going higher. The dollar has sold off. But at some point, all this tightening is hurting auto loans, housing, you name it, the economy in general. All that contraction, we will feel eventually. And then if the recession that they've been talking about comes, it comes, and then they'll pivot, I guess, and lower interest rates. We'll see what happens. We definitely live in some interesting times. It's mind-boggling to me how the market keeps going up. It really is. I mean, I'm still pretty young, and I try and stay the course. But my take is commodities and international markets. Not saying I don't like the U.S. stock market. I just think tech is a little bit overvalued, and there's better sectors out there. But hey, man, the AI bubble keeps going, and some people like that FOMO. I'm a contrarian. I try to be a contrarian. You know, I read an interesting comment from someone on the internet saying being long all these tech stocks is kind of contrarian. I guess you can say that because they've gone up so much. It's like going out and buying a house at 600,000, 700,000. Maybe that's contrarian. And maybe they're going to 1 million, 1.2 million. Who knows? Just do what is good for you. Do what you feel comfortable with. Do what you know. And don't get it overextended. We do have big debt problem in this country. And at some point, the chickens will come home to roost. Chime in. Like the video, subscribe. Pretty sad, you know. Yesterday, I don't know if you guys saw it. I think he's a senator. I'm not sure. His name is Mitch McConnell. He froze on an interview. Poor guy. I mean, there's some guys there. They're just old. They gotta put term limits on these guys. And you can't have these guys there forever. These are people are running this country. And the government and the decisions that affect us every day, if they're not healthy and full of energy, that like that needs to be retired. That's just my 2 cents. I'm ranting right now. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. I'll do some more shorts during the day, and happy trading. Have a great day. Bye-bye.